Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, well, I'm tracking a cold front off to our west. Out ahead of it, some mild southwesterly breezes bringing in humidity and temperatures now that are in the 50s. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar with just random scattered light rain showers that have been passing through this evening. And this will be the trend off and on throughout the overnight into early tomorrow morning. This should become more generous, though, as we get into tomorrow morning. You can see a few showers now, northwest part of the state tracking off to the north and east. And there's more activity to our west where the cold front is located. Mainly cloudy, breezy, very mild in Providence right now. Temperature coming in at 53 on a south-southwest breeze at 13. It's been gusting 20-25 miles per hour. Temps in most areas in the low 50s and will stay in the 50s all night long right on through tomorrow. So weather headlines, the rain coming up for Tuesday, gusty breezes. Could even be an isolated thunderstorm both morning and afternoon. Despite the rain on Tuesday, better part of the week actually looks pretty dry, so it's a decent week ahead. No big storms. We're certainly not talking about snow and ice and things like that. And eventually milder temperatures near seasonable levels. But once we get towards the weekend, nice warm up. We'll show you that in the 7-day Futurecast. So you can see some of the showers that come through this evening. But the bigger activity, the more widespread rain is off to our west. It's lined up along this blue line right in here, a cold front through Ohio. This is tracking off to the east, arriving here tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. So here's what it looks like right now. Take a look at it in the future. We're going to watch the clock right here and step you through it during the overnight. So here we are tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Kids heading out to school, heading out to work. The rain starting widespread and becoming heavier. This is noontime. You see the strips of yellow and orange indicating some downpours, perhaps the rumble of thunder into at least mid-afternoon. This is around 2 o'clock. But notice the trend once we get beyond 5 o'clock. Most of it's thinning out and starting to push offshore. So perhaps the latter part of the evening commute looks a little better and a little drier. Futurecast for the overnight hours staying very mild, well above freezing. We're not talking about cold temperatures overnight with readings that'll be in the lower 50s, some scattered showers, perhaps a few patches of fog towards daybreak, 5 o'clock in the morning, 55. And then during the morning hours, it's a widespread rain, the rumble of thunder, some downpours once we get beyond, say, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. By noontime, we've slipped a degree down to 56. And then during the mid-afternoon hours, looking at temperatures in the lower 50s with rain and some gusty wind. By 5 o'clock in the evening, we notice a trend towards the rain moving out and diminishing. And this sets the stage for the weather-winning streak, which starts on Wednesday. Skies mainly sunny, temperature seasonable in the upper 50s, and then extends right through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Nice warming trend over the weekend, close to 60 on Saturday, well into the 60s on Sunday with overnight lows in the 40s. So get some April showers and some downpours tomorrow. Rest of the week, 2 thumbs up.
All right, love to hear that. Thanks, Tony.